Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix this error on your machine. That's error 02. So first and foremost, on your direct drive, you have to understand that every error has a particular solution, and this error 02 doesn't actually mean that anything is wrong with your machine. It's not a technical issue. It's just an explanation that the light or your current is very low, and this is what I mean. So if you look at my volt here, you see that it is displaying 115 volts. It's fluctuating between 110 to 115 volts instead of giving us the regular 220 to 240 volts. So this fluctuation in the power, or this reduction in the voltage, is why the machine is not able to operate. Even if you match it, you discover that it's not working. So a quick fix here is that you don't need to call an engineer. All you need to do is to look for a stabilizer to power the machine, to raise up the current, or alternatively you just switch it off and wait till the light is a bit fuller before you on it back. So I hope that is clear.